Good morning, student. Hopefully, we are fine. I'm so fine. Today, I will take we are crafting class topic also how to make with color paper, but we are see just okay how to draw draw how to make with color paper, but okay, see, look at this all. How to make with color paper, but okay, okay. First, we will cut this square shape, any color. This is the violet color. See, look at this all. This is the violet color. This is a square shape. Okay, this is the. We will take any color. First, cut this square shape, and I fold it. This is the triangle. Okay, both of side fold. Okay, fold this side triangle. This is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. This is the triangle, and now see, this is the model. Okay, this one, see, now, see, now I will cut this, okay, cut this here, okay, okay, I fold this, okay, okay, this is the bar tail, okay, now okay, this is this side fold inside, this is the inside. See, look at this. Okay, again, first a square shape, then cut this here corner, this both of side corner. See, I fold this opposite side. This is the bar tail. Now I fold this here, here. Now I fold here. Okay, This is the tail, this is the two wing. See, look at this, all very easy. Now I fold this bird head inside the fold. See, look at this all. This is the corner, this is the bird head. Okay, I will draw this bird eye. Okay. Okay, this is the bird leg and feather, bird feather. Okay, both of side. See. Okay, see, look at this all, students, see, this is the bird. Okay, this is a bird tail. Okay, see again, see. Okay, first cut this escort shape, then see escort shape, then cut this, fold this back side, fold, and cut this here, corner, two corner, both of side corner, and this is fold this here, overlapping fold. Now fold this one, see this, and now fold this middle, see. Okay, this is the bird head, leaf. Draw this bird eye and leaf. Okay, this is the bird feather and tail, bird tail. Okay, now we are color this, but this is we are so many color here. Bird feather, this is the yellow color, this is the red, this is the blue, green, and red, and yellow, and this is the light brown, deep yellow. Okay, red. Okay, this is the red color, orange color. Okay, and bird eye, we have some light blue color, light. See, same. Okay, student, same, this multicolor, and opposite side same. We are doing so many color here, feather. Now tail also here, so many color here, blue, orange, red, green. Okay, see. Okay, we are see this, so many color here. Okay, Okay, see, look at this all. Okay, students, see. Hopefully we understood. Very easy practice. You're at home. Okay, very nice, and you make it your reading room and your bedroom in front of the wall. You passed it. Okay. Okay, children. Bye bye. Thank you. See you again.